Hi guys, this is Lee from the Urban Gent. So today we're going to be answering that age-old question of beard itch. Why does my beard itch? We get a lot of guys contacting us saying, I'm contemplating shaving my beard off because it's itching, or it's itching, am I using the wrong product, and things like, do I need to kind of change, do I need different balms or waxes or things kind of like that? So let's just answer that question. Okay, the beard isn't itching. It's the skin underneath that's itching, and the reason why is because you've got your beard, you haven't got as much air or light getting to the skin underneath the beard, hence the skin dehydrates and becomes itchy, and then you'll get the beard dandruff, or the beard rough as we call it, and that's just purely because the skin underneath your beard has just dried out. That's all it is. That's beard itch. Okay, so how do we solve it? Simple. Beard oil. It's as simple as that. Beard oil isn't designed for your beard. It's actually designed for the skin. Okay, so once you use it, the beard oil is designed to go underneath the beard onto the skin. It then conditions, hydrates and moisturizes the skin underneath the beard, and will cause the itching to stop. That's all it is. Your skin's dried out, it's starting to itch, so you need to hydrate your skin. Something as simple as beard oil, that's all it is. So before you start grabbing the shavers and the razors and thinking you're going to hack off your beards because it's itching, just hydrate the skin. Okay, that's all you've got to do. Okay, so when do you normally kind of do it? So when I come out of the shower, I put beard oil on because my pores, the pores are open, so I put the beard oil on. It soaks in. I tend to put beard oil on in the morning, and then perhaps in the afternoon. So the reason a set amount, you can put on a couple of little drops, rub it into the skin. You're just hydrating the skin. That's all you're doing. So, and that's beard itch. So use your oil, gentlemen. We can get through this. It's that simple. Okay, so keep hydrated. Get the itch away. Guys, I'm Lee Thomas. This is the Urban Gent. Stay bearded, stay healthy, stay safe. Don't itch as much. We'll catch you soon. Cheers.